was so fun to watch all season long, you guys. You guys all got better. You played so well as a team. Love all you guys. That was so fun to watch. Way to go, guys. Champions of the league. Huh? How's that feel?
Great.
Yeah.
Pretty good? Let's go one more Warrior Llamas on 3. Count us down. Everybody all together. Ready?
Warrior Llamas on 3. 1, 2, 3. Warrior Llamas.